Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make this radiant skin vegan acne spots hypigementation facial scrub. So we are going to use sugar and turmeric. So turmeric contains anti-inflammatory properties which do seem to smooth irritated skin when applied topically. This helps you to have a clearer complexion. So turmeric provide a powder actually has antibacterial properties, making it ideal for many natural skincare products. It is especially helpful for those suffering from acne, and its antimicrobial action may reduce severity of acne breakouts. So turmeric facial exfoliator is beneficial with treating uneven skin tone, whether with age, high pigmentation related dark spots or acne scars. It tends to lighten and fade them. So brown sugar is the best actually. It's gentle on delicate skin. Sugar is a humectant. It pulls water from the air into your skin. Sugar also helps to hydrate and protect the skin, and dry cells are buffeted away. So that is how it looks like. Yes, so it's going to work well. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I just rinsed, it's in the morning, and I'm going to use my hands to apply it. So actually this brightening exfoliator, like, it will help hypigmentation, dark spots. Turmeric is also known to bring natural glow, combat aging skin actually. So you actually feel your skin will actually feel softer on applying, just upon applying, and refreshed, and after using this exfoliate actually, like, it really worked well. So why do you need to exfoliate? Why exfoliate? Exfoliating actually improves the texture, boosts circulation, new skin cells to emerge, leaves skin glowing, softer, smooth skin, smooths fine lines, fades discoloration, sunspots, and reduces acne breakouts, blemishes, and improves the absorption of products. So make sure that you scrub, like exfoliate in circular motions, and be very gentle. You don't need to be aggressive. Yes, so if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now. This helps us so much so that the video can be actually recommended by YouTube to many people, and this actually helps us to grow our channel. So to my 141 subscribers and to my viewers, I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos and for subscribing. Yes, and if you have made turmeric, exfoliator, sugar exfoliator, you can kindly comment in the section below, or if you are going to try this. So I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes and then I'll go and rinse it. So that is how much is left actually for 2 applications. So now we are going to rinse after 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes and I've just rinsed. Look at that glow, natural glow. Say goodbye to dull skin. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.